favorite toy.
Yes. What's that? What's that? No, it's not that one. It's a three-letter word.
Three-letter word starts with letter C. 4 wheels and then
Yes, and broom. Yes. What's that? What's that?
What's that? What's that? Wheel nga daw yun.
Nakaka-confuse. What is this?
I'm kakambay.
Where is it? It's in SM.
What is that? What is that place? The paper bag.
Paper bag. This one. This one. What? One more.
Toy
Kingdom.
Toy Kingdom.
Toy Kingdom. Yeah, you get it right. Wow. You're so galing. Who is this dog?
Twinkle.
Yay! Very good.
What?
Kami na lang muna. Mama, may naman Mami, saan ka? Galing Vietnam. Ay, naku, ako yung hilig ipayong, bag. Parang...
Alam ko na kung saan ako nagmana.
Dapat na pala sa kategory. Taga-isla? Kalesa? Kala mo behind the scene.
Hindi, pero mas madali.
Malapit na!
Kulot.
Hindi!
Ano ang tawag dito?
Ay!
Ang tanga nyo.
Parang wala lang kayo sa...
Mukha ng hamster ang kuya kaya eh. Bakit niyan? Patingin! Nakailan? Yuck!
Wala sa lamesa! 1, 2, 3! 1, 2, 3!
Ayos na!
1, 2, 3!
Ay, doon ko magkakali.
Mulay sa bahay ko mo! 3, 2, 1!
Ako! Ay!
Kain may sabaw! 1, 2, 3!
Sinigang!
Subject sa elementary! 3, 2, 1! Mathematics! 3, 2, 1!
Galingan mo naman.
Malagay sa isla rente! 3, 2, 1!
Sige! Last one na kami.
3, 2, 1!
Christmas is over, so ibig sabihin, uwian na sa kanilang bahay. Sabay ko ay siya. Dahil may kanya-kanya pa silang agenda. Hindi ka naman. Kabit-bit siya.
Parang pinakamatapang.
Lalasing. Maglalasing.
Hindi lang siya hanghang. Bet pa siya. Bet malasa. So good. Nahuhulog kasi siya. Tama lang yung by the way, ang kasama ko is si Jess. Lipat mo na sa'yo. Ayoko. Dog, nag-vlog ka ba? Paututan mo. Paututan mo. Yabang. Ayun naman yung wala may YouTube channel ako. Pero hindi lang consistent mag-post. Dati consistent mag-post. Kapag kasi mag-edit. Tumubog. Kasi nalalaman sa vlog ko. Diyan yung palagi i-tune. I bought something on TikTok again. Ito yung gold bills na papaswerte. Money magnet! I will be making a vision board. Ito yung 2023. Ito naman, 2024. And nakalagay dito, 2024 is an amazing year. And it was indeed an amazing year. Breakdown natin yung mga nangyari ngayong year. Yeah, I did work out. I did read books. I did fly. Pumunta kasi ako ng Palawan. So, yeah, dumami actually yung orders ko sa crochet. I did visit this attraction in Palawan. Yeah, I did shop a lot. Yeah, I did eat a lot of foods. I did cook a lot for this year. I want it to be simple, so I'm gonna limit the pictures. Hindi kagaya nung sa last year. I am done with my vision board and I like how it turned out. Insert na lang ako dyan ng picture niya. Today is December 30 and nilala kami ng prutas at yung pang charcuterie board ko, pero baka bukas pa mamili ang mga marisa ng handa. Outfit check! Top is from Mera. It's shopping time. On to the next. Tapos na kami mamalengke. Pupunta naman kami SM kasi gagawa ko na charcuterie board. Eh, hindi kompleto yung nandun sa Daymon. Ako gusto din yung cupcake. Gusto ko din kasi ng oh no! Kulang ako guys ng 1K. Charis, 300 na. Okay, so far, nabibili ko naman na yung pang charcuterie ko. Pero ganito lang siya guys. Konti lang. Kasi mura lang siya. Oh, I need a ham.
Chadoro. It's cookies and cream. Hi guys, get ready with me for 2025. Pero gusto ko munang mag-shave na kilay ko kasi not that bushy, pero nakikita ko na yung growth. Ang gagamitin ko sa pag-shave ng kilay ko is none other than Polish Beauty Blade. Oh my god, I love this so much. Not sponsored, but I am hoping soon mispaw. I'm such a fan. Hindi ako sanay mag-dry shaving, so I'm using a moisturizer. This one is from Teletec. We're done. Alam nyo, I'm so happy na meron ng pause button ang iPhone kasi mas madaling mag-video kapag may pause button as well as sa editing kasi hindi na need ng longer durations or pa-cut-cut ng video. Strokes. I am running out. I need to buy a new one. Cosmetics in Espresso. Squad Cosmetics Brow Gel. It smells so good! Bango ng niluluto sa baba. Say hi to my vlog. Hi! Sino yun? Hindi ikaw yun. Plant a concealer. Usually do blush before contour first. Pero ngayon, gusto ko i-try na contour muna before blush. And the contour that I'm using is from Detail Cosmetics. A10 in the shade Craft. Snatch. Of course, hindi mawawala ang streaks. Oh! Snatch. After that is blush. Siyempre kasi swinitch ko nga sila. You all know kung ano yung favorite kong blush. This is from Squad Cosmetics. I have two shades. This one is High School and this one is Freshie. This one, ingay na nila, hindi pa New Year, pero sige, pagbibigyan natin. This one is medyo pink and this one medyo coral siya. So for today's look, I want it to be pinkish. Kasi hindi tayo papayag na malas ang pink ngayong 2025. We're not gonna allow that. Top it off with my another favorite blush. This is from Colorette. This is Color Tint in the shade Winter. Girl, this is long-lasting as fuck. I'm gonna use Detail Cosmetics again, Super Fine Liner in the shade Affogato. Boga yun? Maingay? I'm gonna use my cousin's Stroke Setting Spray. I already finished my makeup and hindi ko na kanya na-update, but there's the final look. Oh, did we eat? Yes, we did.
See no she ain't gon' find that nigga that.
Lang siya, like it's my everyday makeup, but fuck, I forgot to put my blush, my powder blush. Okay, sige, patong lang natin siya after ko patuloy ito setting spray. Because
her face card never decline.
ano ba daw yun? Ba't ba ganon? Okay, that's all. I'm gonna update you guys kung ano pagganap mamaya. Pero, basically, sasalubungin na lang namin ang New Year. Bye-bye! And Happy New Year, y'all!
Since mag-New Year na, tatanungin natin na ating pamilya kung anong kanilang New Year's resolution. Mame! Anong New Year's resolution? Hindi kami magkasakit! Yay!
Ang target ko kanina ay grapes kasi kakain ako ng 12 grapes para like i-manifest ko for so you're the 10. Okay, i-mirror natin siya. 3, 2, 1. Crazy.
30 seconds, let's go!